bro, how many of your YouTube videos actually break 1,000 views? If the answer is not many, don't feel bad. You're in the 91% club. Most creators pour hours into content that no one watches, and it's not because your ideas suck. It's because your script isn't grabbing attention in the first 15 seconds. YouTube sees viewers click away, drops your average watch time, and suddenly, your video disappears from recommendations. Brutal. But here's the kicker. You don't need to be a psychology expert or storytelling genius to fix it. Here's what usually happens when creators try to write scripts. You've got awesome ideas, but turning them into a script that keeps people watching, that's a skill most of us don't have. Writing a killer script takes 10 to 20 hours if you do it right. Most creators just don't have that kind of time. Hiring a professional scriptwriter? $200 to $1,000 per video. Yeah, no thanks. Using generic AI tools like ChatGPT. Sure, it spits out words, but it sounds like a robot trying to be human. Viewers tune out instantly. The result? Low retention, low recommendations, low growth. YouTube doesn't reward effort, it rewards watch time. That's where I flipped the script, literally. I built something I call the Algo Script Method, and it changed everything for me. With this system, I went from 0 to 30,000 subscribers in just 120 days, and I wrote every single script in under an hour, even for topics I barely knew anything about. The AI does the heavy lifting, and you don't need to study psychology to make it work. Here's the workflow. Step by step, inside Poppy AI, you create a board for your video. Drop in everything about your topic: YouTube videos, blog posts, PDFs, research notes, or even your own voice memos. Link all that info to an AI chat inside Poppy. Now, the AI fully understands the topic. Add a My Style group with URLs of your previous videos. The AI studies how you talk, your phrasing, and personality. Type 1 prompt, write a YouTube script about topic using my style and the ultimate retention guide. Boom! You get a script that hooks viewers instantly, keeps them engaged, and even guides them to your next video, all in your voice in under 5 minutes. This isn't guesswork. Every part of the script is designed to grab attention in the first 15 seconds with a curiosity hook. Build authority without boring the viewer. Open and close curiosity loops to maintain engagement. Add actionable advice and quantify results. Future-pace viewers, showing them what success looks like if they keep watching. For example, one of my scripts starts like this. Would you believe me if I grew 100,000 tomatoes in a single season without fancy equipment or experience? Here's exactly how I did it. It's a pattern interrupt hook, removes objections, and creates an information gap that makes viewers want to keep watching. You've got 3 options. Write scripts manually leads to slow, exhausting. Growth remains painfully slow. Use generic AI tools leads to robotic. Generic needs tons of editing, still underperforms. Use Poppy AI plus Algo Script Method leads to fast, personalized, retention optimized, growth focused. The choice is clear. Here's something special. I created a template board in Poppy AI, preloaded with my 21-page ultimate scripting guide. It's not public, not for sale. It's for creators who are serious about growing. Sign up for Poppy AI with the link in the description, and I'll send you the template straight to your email. From there, making perfect watch time optimized YouTube scripts is just 1 prompt away. This system lets you create scripts in minutes, not hours. Keep your style and voice intact. Integrate psychological triggers at exactly the right moments. Upload more often and grow your channel faster. Bro, your next viral video isn't some lucky accident. It's 1 perfect script away. The tools and system are here. The only thing left, you're hitting that create button.